Well, we've lived here in Woodstock for 3 years, so I've never seen this much snow at one time here. The drifting in back of the house is up to the chest. We had to dig our exhaust pipes out so that the residue from the gas could get out of the house. This compares to me to Utah. The first year we lived in Utah, it was 47 hours straight. We had feet of snow. But here in Woodstock, never seen it.
We lived on the other side of town, but I've lived here most of my life. I've lived in Woodstock my entire life, but in my 19 years, this has been the most snow I've seen. Nothing near it, anywhere near this. Maybe my knees, but this is over my head, drifts.